What is that? Oh. And my fucking press-on was the thing that was making the noise. Oh my God. She's so cute and lightweight. And now she's in LA. Even the cameras are on Ozempic. Shit, leave it to me to get the one that doesn't work. Look, I can't see anything. I forgot to pop her top off. Okay, I'm respectful. I wanted to make sure she had my consent. Flip it onto myself. Okay, maybe I'll flip it back around. Oh, she's so cute. She kind of looks like pubic. Bam! My camera has a little toupee. Does not come with a friggin' STD SD card. Make sure you follow so you can see the shit I'm about to get into with this camera. That sounds like I'm gonna do weird shit. And to be honest, I might.